Hello, this is Gary Davis from Autodesk Media and Entertainment. In this video, I'd like to discuss several different examples and benefits of network rendering using Autodesk 3dsMax. In addition to using a network of computers to render final stills and animations, there are also many additional benefits to 3dsMax users looking to take advantage of network rendering, even if they don't have a network render farm of computers at their disposal. The three primary methods of network rendering with Autodesk 3dsMax are distributed bucket rendering, network strip rendering, and back-burner rendering. Distributed bucket rendering allows multiple computers to render a single image using the mental ray rendering engine included with every seat of 3dsMax. 3dsMax artists on a host workstation can access up to 4 additional computers to contribute to the rendering of a single image at the same time. Distributed bucket rendering can be used to significantly speed up any mental ray test renders during the creative process, as well as output final, high-resolution static deliverables such as those ultimately destined for print output. One typical use of distributed bucket rendering includes when a Max scene has several million polygons, such as those found in design visualization projects. Within Autodesk 3dsMax, there is a feature named Split Scanline. This tool allows users to break a task into several horizontal and unique strips. These strips are then automatically assembled by Back-Burner into a single large image as the final deliverable. 3dsMax automatically subdivides the rendering based on settings that the user provides and then assembles the strips together into the final image. Strip rendering can also take advantage of the render queue introduced with the use of Autodesk Back-Burner. Autodesk Back-Burner is included with 3dsMax and provides users a means to prioritize and manage a job queue for multiple render tasks. This queue can be used on a single computer or on render farms up to 9,999 computers for each single license of 3dsMax. Autodesk Back-Burner is made up of 3 separate applications. Back-Burner Manager runs on one system that accepts tasks, manages the queue, and distributes different tasks to any available computers waiting to render. Back-Burner Server is an application that runs on all rendering machines to communicate with the manager and receive tasks. The third is Back-Burner Monitor, which is an application that puts a graphical user interface to the render queue currently being managed. The primary control monitor allows users to manage the queue in ways such as pausing one or more jobs, reprioritizing the queue, and also adding or removing render machines from any particular task. Back-Burner is useful for high-volume rendering scenarios and animations because with a typical use case of Back-Burner, each machine renders one frame before being assigned another to render by the Back-Burner Manager. Autodesk 3dsMax offers more out-of-the-box rendering options using network rendering than any other available solution today. Regardless of the size of your project or facility, 3dsMax will allow users to take advantage of all the available resources and maximize the return on investment when the systems would otherwise sit idle and unused. For further information, please visit the Autodesk area website user forums, and I'd also like to encourage you to check out my blog, also available at the area.